Foreshore. I'm so excited to look around. This is so nice. We're gonna go out on the jetty now. So I really like this because we got to see a box fish, I think, and so many other fishes I saw. And it's really beautiful getting to get closer to the ocean. I've always wanted to be this close, and now I am. I hope you liked my video of Nightcliff Foreshore. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications. Bye!